Hey, curious minds. Have you ever wondered how Google remembers your name? Or how Amazon knows what you searched last week? Well, it's all thanks to a secret superhero in the tech world. It's called a database management system, or DBMS for short. Let's break it down super simply, like a fun story, so even a fifth grader can get it. What is a database? Imagine you own a giant digital cupboard with millions of drawers. Each drawer holds names, numbers, addresses, or photos. That entire cupboard is called a database. A database is a place where we store and organize data so it's easy to find later. Famous definition: a database is an organized collection of data, generally stored and accessed electronically. Just like your school stores student details in files, a DBMS helps computers do the same, but much faster and smarter. What is a database management system, DBMS? Now, imagine if that cupboard had millions of drawers. You'd need a super smart librarian to manage it. That's what a DBMS does. It is a software that helps you add, find, update, and delete data from the database quickly and safely. Whether it's Netflix remembering your watch list or your school tracking grades, it's the DBMS making that magic happen. What is SQL? SQL, say it like SQL, stands for Structured Query Language. It's the special language we use to talk to databases. Imagine SQL as a magic spell book. You say, select top from students, and poof, you get all student names. Delete from orders where ID equal 5, and zap, one item disappears. SQL is the way we tell the database what we want, and it listens carefully. What are ER diagrams? Let's say you're drawing a map of how people are connected in your class. You, your best friend, your teacher, your classroom. An ER diagram, entity relationship diagram, is like that map. It shows how different pieces of data are related. In DBMS, it helps design the system before we build it, kind of like a blueprint for a big Lego set. Why should we care? Data is the new oil. Clive Humby. Data runs the modern world. Every time we click, buy, search, or swipe, we create data. And without a DBMS, all that data would be a big messy soup. DBMS makes sure everything is stored neatly, retrieved instantly, and protected safely. So next time you log in, place an order, or save a game, thank the database and the superhero DBMS behind it. Want to learn more cool tech stuff in simple ways? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video. Curious Learner. Bye-bye.